Okay, so it's 5 o'clock and we are about to take a look at the river. We've had a quick look at it. It looks about 25% less water than it was yesterday. So we're hoping we'll be able to get across. Still going to be pretty dangerous, I think. Still going to be very sketchy. But there's no other way apart from another helicopter, and that's not going to happen. Yeah, so yeah, we're going to have a look now. Well, it's now 6 a.m. and we've gone all the way up there looking for a crossing of that river to try and get to the bridge, and the river's maybe 10 or 20% lower, but that's still much too dangerous to cross. Craig and Gilly, our guide, have continued up there, see if they found something, see if they can find something. Me and Mathi have come down to the main river to see if we can wade across this, but there's some of these little ones, little streams here are okay, but there's always a main stream which has just got far too much water in it. So we're going to hike a little bit further to see if it gets any wider and shallower. But we're also getting a quote for a helicopter. I really don't want to get another helicopter, but I mean, the other option is we just go for it through one of these main streams and end up swimming and maybe drown. Not great. I said Tillman's doesn't deserve its fearsome reputation, and I think I may have spoken too soon. This river definitely deserves its fearsome reputation. Okay, so the situation is the other two guys have got across further up. We still haven't got across, but they have a rope, so they're gonna throw us a rope. We're going to get as far as we can across these little streams, and then there's going to be a big stream in the middle which they're going to throw us a rope for, and we're going to forge our way across, and they're going to pull us. We're going to get wet. We're not going to need a helicopter, we hope. Can't feel my feet. Well, that was rather scary, and we both got a damn good dunking in the river, which was glacier meltwater, so pretty damn near freezing. Mathi got off a little bit worse than me. She took a pretty hard hit on her knee and shin with some rocks. Don't know how that's going to turn out. She's able to walk, but I should think her knee will probably be a bit swollen tomorrow. So we'll definitely take a rest day tomorrow. So after we sort of changed our clothes and dried out a little bit, we had I think it was a good 3 hours, maybe 4 hours, I'm not sure, walk down to Kyanjin Gompa, which is a little slice of civilization up here in the mountains. Lots of nice hotels and tea houses. Apparently this place was completely flattened in the earthquake a few years ago, and they've been rebuilding probably quite a bit more than they probably need for this area. But we're in this lovely hotel, and they're making us some lunch, and we're going to relax tomorrow and have a beer tonight.